Good morning, all. Myself Gokula Krishnan. So I will be discussing my topic on hierarchy of courts in India, USA, UK, and Japan. So first we will see about the hierarchy of courts in India. So the district court of India are established by the state government in India for every district or more than one district, taking into account the number of the cases, population distribution in the district. So these courts are under administrative control of the High Court of the state to which the district concerned belongs. So the district court is presided over by one district judge appointed by the state government. In addition to the district judge, there are many additional district judge and assistant district judge depending upon the workload. So in every state, besides the High Court, there are number of judicial courts to administer justice. So these courts function under the complete control and supervision of the High Court. So a state can have exclusive legislative competence to determine the constituents and territorial jurisdiction of all courts subordinate to the High Court. So the organization of the subordinate courts throughout the country is generally uniform. So there are two types of law courts in every district, that is civil court and criminal court. So the court of the district judges is the highest civil court in the district. It exercises both judicial and administrative powers. It has the power of superintendence over the courts under its control. The court of the district judge is located at the district headquarters. So it has power of trying both civil and criminal cases. Thus he is designated as the district and sessions judge. So below the court of the district judge, there are the courts of sub-judge, additional sub-judge and municipal courts, which are located in the subdivisional and district headquarters. So most of the civil cases are filed in the court of the municipal. A case can be taken in appeal from the court of the municipal to the court of the sub-judge or the additional sub-judge. So appeals from the court of the sub-judges and additional sub-judges lie in the district court. So the court of the district judge has both original and appellate jurisdiction. So in case of the Japanese judicial system, the courts are 5 types in Japan, that is Supreme Court, High Court, District Court, Family Court and Summary Court. The summary courts handle in principle civil cases involving claims which does not exceed 9 lakh yen and criminal cases relating to offences punishable by fines or lighter penalties and civil conciliations. So the district courts handle the first instances of most types of civil and criminal cases. So they are situated in 50 locations nationwide, which branch offices in 203 locations. So most cases are disposed by single judge. So the family courts handle family affairs, determinations and conciliations. The High Court handle appeals like files against judgments referred by the district courts, family court or summary court. So the high courts are situated in 8 locations, namely Tokyo, Okasa, Nagano, Hiroshima and etc. So these offices are situated in 6 locations. So these cases are handled by collective body consisting of 3 judges. So the Supreme Court is the highest and final court that handles appeals filed against judgments rendered by the High Court. It is composed of a Chief Justice and 14 justices with a grand bench made up of 15 justices and 3 petty benches each made up of justices. So the cases are first assigned to one of the 3 petty benches, and those cases that involve constitutional questions are transferred to the grand bench for its inquiry and adjudication. So next one is hierarchy of courts in United Kingdom. So the Supreme Court of the United Kingdom is the highest appeal court in almost all cases in England and Wales. So before the Constitutional Reform Act 2005, this role was held by House of Lords. So the Supreme Court is also the highest court of appeal for devolution matters and role previously held by Judicial Committee of the Privy Council. So senior courts of England and Wales. The senior court of England and Wales were originally created by the Judicature Acts as the Supreme Court of Judicature. It was renamed by the Supreme Court of England and Wales. So there are courts where by the Constitutional Reform Act to distinguish the Supreme Court of the United Kingdom, Court of Appeal, High Court of Justice and Crown Court. So Court of Appeal deals only with appeals from other courts or tribunals. The Court of Appeal consists of 2 divisions. The Civil Division hears appeals from the High Court and the Country Court and certain superior tribunals, while the Criminal Division may only hear appeals from the Crown Court connected with the trial on indictment. Its decisions are binding on all courts including itself apart from the Supreme Court. Next one is the High Court. The High Court of Justice functions both as civil court of first instance and a criminal and civil appellate court for cases of subordinate courts. It consists of three divisions: the Queen's Bench, the Chancery, and the Family Divisions. So the divisions of the High Court are not separate court, but have somewhat separate procedures and practices adapted to its purposes. So although particular kinds of cases will be assigned to each division depending upon their subject matter, each division may exercise the jurisdiction of the High Court. So the formation of the Business and Property Courts of England and Wales within the High Court was announced in March 2017. Next one was Crown Court. The Crown Court is a criminal court of both original and appellate jurisdiction, which is in addition handles a limited amount of civil business both at first instance and on appeal. It was established by the Courts Act 1971. So the last one is the hierarchy of courts in USA. It is mainly divided into three parts, that is district court, circuit courts, which are at the first level of appeal, and Supreme Court of the United States. So the courts in the federal system works differently in many ways than the state courts. So the primary differences of civil cases are opposed to criminal cases is the types of case that can be heard in the federal system. Federal courts are those courts of limited jurisdiction, meaning they can only hear cases authorized by the United States Constitution or federal statutes. So the federal district court is the starting point of any case arising under federal statutes, the Constitution or treaties. This type of jurisdiction is called original jurisdiction. Good morning all. Myself Gokula Krishnan. So I will be discussing my topic on hierarchy of courts in India, USA, UK and Japan. So first we will see about the hierarchy of courts in India. So the district court of India are established by the state government in India for every district or more than one.